Sixes class assembly.
We wanted to talk to you about all the amazing things we've been doing since we got back from lockdown. Some people found it hard, but we've been doing lots of things to make us happy.
It's been a challenge, but we've been getting through it. We can't wait to tell you all of the exciting things that we've been doing.
We hope you enjoy our class assembly.
During Science Week, we had to work collaboratively to build a circuit to either make the buzzer go louder and to make the bulbs go brighter. We tried adding more bulbs to the circuit to see if it'll go dimmer or brighter. Also in Science Week, we did a biscuit dunker experiment. It was a whole school experiment and each year group had different biscuits. Ours were a bourbon, a custard cream and an ice. We dipped them in water to the beat of a song and the bourbon lasted the longest.
During Spanish Week, we have learned to tell our classmates where we live and what rooms we have in our houses.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Naila.
¿Cuántos años tienes?
Tengo 11 años.
¿Dónde vives?
Vivo en una casa la costa.
Our topic in Humanities Week was fair trade. We found out what countries produce fair trade products and what England imports and exports. Some items England imports are tea, bananas, cocoa beans, computer parts and many more.
We've had our STEAM day with Mr. Mills and have learned how to program robots to follow a map. He showed us how to use an indoor drone and we watched as he flew the outdoor drone to Lidl. Recently we did forest school with the whole class. We built a shelter to keep us dry and warm. We also built a fire with flint and steel.
Recently during lockdown, our builders have been building us a brand new playground. We've been lucky enough to test out our brand new mugger. We've been playing football on it with Miss King and also played on it during playtime. Here are some progress pictures we have taken of our new playground.
Since we've been back to school, there's been some changes, including a class COVID officer. He's a bit crazy.
I've got me Dettol, I've got me hand sanitizer. Stay safe, kids.
2 meters apart!
I have to teach these kids a lesson by not social distancing. Follow me. Everyone say your yes, sir! On your lines!
There's been big changes. A lot of things have still stayed the same, like the amazing subjects like maths and English.
All the teachers still have a smile on their face.
We've still got great playtimes and lunchtimes.
At home, you could relax and spend time with family and friends.
If you're worried, you can talk to teachers and members of staff in school. Or if you need help in school, you can just put your hand up and ask for help. And if you're worried at home, you can talk to your parents and carers.
Understand.